up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This is mixed hip hop and sexy, okay? So the title of the song is Desce. I can't pronounce it. I just don't know how to pronounce. So I just put here, okay? Let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this, we're gonna mix sexy and hip hop, okay? So let's start. So start, what's the first step? Close your feet. You're gonna move away to your right. So quick hop. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, not 6, 7, and 8. That's easy. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Next, just pull yourself. 1, 2, go 3, 4. Copy, then 5, 6, and 7, the 8. 1, close on. One more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically this is 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, the 8. 1, 2. Let's combine first and second. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2. Good job. Okay, next. 8. 1, 2, pull 3, 4, and 5. Stay on 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay? One more time. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2. Good job. Let's continue. Gonna go 1, 3, and 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 4 counts. One more time. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips. 5, 6. Catch. 7, 8. 1, 2. Start on the top. For 8. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's continue. 7, 8, 1, 2, jump 3, 4, away 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Let's do that slowly. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, away 6, close 7, 8. Let's continue. Here we go. Hips 1, 2, away on 3, 4. Flex out 5, down 6, 7, and 8. Yes. One more time. 7 and 8. Hips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. Let's finish. Only 4 counts. Chest 1 and 2, 3, 4. Stop. Then step back. Okay, you got that part? Let's try. So, side 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest 1 and 2, 3, 4. Step 7 and this remaining 2 8 is very simple. You just go like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cross. 5, 6, bye-bye. Yes, good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Homoa, okay? Why I said homoa? Here we go. In 5. By the way, homoa means it's okay in Cantonese. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, catch and 8, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, hit 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, flex 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 1, 2, 4, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ha, ha, cross. Ha, ha. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like this choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, okay? And don't forget to click the notification so you will be notified in my future upload. Normally I upload video every like 3 times a week. Alright, so but because this pandemic is very trouble, we only can upload like 2 times, okay? See you. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.